That's exactly what the ZMOON ZM201 Professional OBD2 scanner is designed to do. In this video, we'll take a quick look at its features, pros and cons, and whether it's actually worth buying for everyday car owners. First, let's talk about compatibility. The ZMOON ZM201 works with most vehicles built after 1996 in the US, 2002 in Europe, and 2008 in Asia, as long as the car has a standard 16-pin OBD2 port. The scanner also provides live data streaming with graph view, freeze frame data, O2 sensor testing, and EVAP system checks, giving you deeper insight into your engine's performance. Using it is extremely simple. Just plug it into your car's OBD2 port, turn the ignition on, and the results appear within seconds. It also features a 2.8-inch color screen, and the best part? It's powered directly from your vehicle, so there's no battery or charging needed. Pros: wide compatibility with most modern vehicles, reads and clears engine codes quickly, large built-in DTC database, live data and diagnostic tools, easy plug-and-play design, bright color display and simple interface, no battery required. Cons: only supports engine diagnostics, does not work with ABS, SRS airbags, or transmission systems. PC connection supports Windows only, not Mac. Overall review. Overall, the ZMOON ZM201 Professional OBD2 scanner is a solid and affordable diagnostic tool. It's perfect for car owners, beginners, and DIY mechanics who want a simple way to check engine problems without paying diagnostic fees at a repair shop. If it doesn't support advanced systems like ABS or airbags, it still covers the most common engine diagnostics, which is what most drivers actually need. If your goal is to quickly read engine codes, understand the issue, and save money on repairs, this scanner is definitely worth considering. If you found this review helpful, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and check out the product link in the description to learn more about the ZMOON ZM201 OBD2 scanner.